So in traditional machine learning model, they are the frozen model. Frozen model, why we are telling that? Because see, intelligence is baked in the at the training time. So while training, whatever patterns it will recognize, it will learn only that. So the intelligence is baked at the training time, and that is fixed. At runtime, model only performs inference, because you see what we are discussing the training time behavior versus runtime behavior. For traditional machine learning systems, in the training time, the intelligence is baked, because the pattern learning and all the intelligence is baked at the training time. And runtime, model will only do the inference. Okay, this is the input, it will do the prediction for that input. In the runtime, there is no scope of learning, and it cannot reiterate or change the strategy. All that it cannot do. So we say that for traditional machine learning systems, it is the static pipeline wherein we train the model. So we bake the intelligence and then we deploy the model. And once the model is in the production, it will just do the prediction. That's it. In the production, the model cannot learn and it cannot adapt and it cannot act. It will just do the prediction. And hence we are calling it like the static pipelines. Why it's static pipeline? Once the pipeline is made, it can run. No need for human intervention. Like training is a one time process, deployment is a one time process, and once the model is there in the production, it will just take the input, and based on its intelligence it will give the output. That's it. And hence traditional machine learning systems are frozen model. But if we talk about AI agents, they are the live decision systems, so they are very dynamic in nature. So here, intelligence is partially learned, partially constructed at runtime. So very important. See, in AI agents, the idea is that the intelligence is partially learned and partially constructed at runtime. So the idea is that at during the training time, partial intelligence is learned, but runtime also learning happens. So at runtime for AI agents, it will not just do the predictions, rather it will decide actions based on the inputs. It will interpret the intent and it will decide actions. It will plan. It will make an action plan. Then it will choose tools to perform those actions. It will act, it will execute those actions, and it will reflect. It will assess the outcomes. And based on that, it will revise plans. It will learn from feedback, it will revise plans, and it will keep on doing it. So AI agent is something wherein if you give the input, it will keep on running the loop, the learning loop. It will keep on running until the goal is achieved. Until the goal is achieved. So hence, for AI agents, it is a dynamic loop pipeline wherein AI agents, they constantly like keep on observing perception. They observe, then they decide. They make the action plan, then they act on it, then they reflect, like they learn from the outcomes, and they revise the plans, that is the adapt. And then once again they will observe, and they will keep on doing it until the goal is achieved. And hence we are calling AI agents as the live decision system. So now I hope it's very clear that traditional machine learning systems are like very passive, wherein one time effort you put, the model is live, ML model is live, and like it can do a specific task of prediction. That's it. But for AI agents, it is a live decision system wherein it will keep on running until the goal is achieved. So it's a dynamic loop pipeline. So AI systems, AI agents, it's a live decision system, not a frozen model. And machine learning systems are frozen model.